Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use an Xbox One controller for native X input support on Windows 10. This gives you immediate recognition and correct button prompts in Black Ops 3. Connect via USB cable for plug-and play or pair over Bluetooth for cable-free play. Use a high-quality USB cable and a working Bluetooth adapter to avoid dropouts. For DualShock 4, use DS for Windows to emulate X input and enable vibration mapping. Install DS for Windows, then run it before launching the game for launch Steam in Big Picture mode to access controller configuration templates. Big Picture mode gives you an easy interface to test layouts and remap inputs. Enable PlayStation configuration support for DualShock 4 or generic gamepad support for others to get Steam mapping features. Customize button mappings and create per-game configs, then export or save them to Steam Cloud for backup. Test triggers, face buttons, and sticks in the Steam tester before starting the game to confirm behavior. Set dead zone to 0. 0.5 to reduce drift without losing responsiveness. This small dead zone often eliminates minor stick noise while preserving precise control. Adjust sensitivity per axis. Start with 4. 0 for aiming, then refine by feel to match your playstyle. Test horizontal and vertical aiming separately and change boosts or smoothing accordingly. Use a wired connection for lower input latency and disable Steam input when using native X input to avoid double mapping. Save your final config and test in a private match before competitive play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.